The SteriShoe Plus is designed to be more effective and easier to use than the original SteriShoe. To start using the SteriShoe, first pull up the scent cap after lifting it up with the coin. Put the scent pouch inside and press the scent cap back in place. When the scent cap is secure, you should hear an audible click. Connect the unit to a power socket. Next, insert the left and right SteriShoe Plus units into the respective shoes. To start the process, simply press on the SteriShoe Plus button, located in the middle of the controller unit. Once activated, the SteriShoe Plus will sanitize for 15 minutes and fan for 30 minutes. If your shoe is wet, press the fan button to let SteriShoe continue drying for 8 hours. Once done, you will have your shoes clean, fresh, and dry. Good as new. SteriShoe Plus comes with a safety feature that prevents activation if UV light leaks out of the shoe. In this case, cover your shoe with the provided SteriShoe Plus bag. For more information, visit our website at www.petifix.com.